Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find airport transfers in Klook. So first head over and launch your Klook app. Then next is click on transport. Next from trains, just switch to airport transfers. So click on this icon, and from here you can use this search bar or search filter. Just type in the arrival flight number and hotel or address of destination, and of course the number of passengers. And lastly, click on the search button. And from there, you should see a list of all airport transfers available on Klook. So of course, you have that for airport pickup, and you can also switch to airport drop-offs. Just add in the address or hotel, then of course the destination airport, and of course select the pickup date, and lastly the number of passengers. The same with airport pickup, just click on the search button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!